It is Ayurveda or nothing. Ayurveda or nothing. Herbs or nothing. I'm sure you can see my 6 years, whole years worth of hair growth while relaxed, and 6 whole years worth of natural hair growth without relaxers. The choice is yours. I have grown to love herbs and Ayurveda. I have used these products to start off a business, and people are testifying of the amazing works of these herbal ingredients. I have watched people watch me on this channel and start off their own business, making loads of money from using these herbs and helping a lot of people grow back their hair from using these herbal ingredients. I have equally watched loads and loads of persons share their feedbacks from trying out one or two remedies from this channel with mind-blowing feedbacks, sharing on comment sections of each of my videos. Every blessed day, I see loads and loads of amazing comments coming from people that have tried the ingredients that I share on this channel, and they have one or two amazing feedbacks to share that are mind blowing. And you think that I'm going to stop sharing? You lie. You hear me? You lie. Now look at how voluminous this hair is. My hair has never been this voluminous ever in my life. Not even when I'm relaxed. Now look how luscious my hair is, and you tell me that I use herbal ingredients or I share herbal ingredients or that they don't work? You must be joking. Herbal ingredients or nothing. Just so you know, I have thin natural hair, fine natural hair. That's if you know what that means. And it is these herbal ingredients that made my hair this luscious and voluminous and even dark. Some of you would come to the comment section and say, Dima, queen of hibiscus. It is that same hibiscus that gave my hair this dark color. Naturally, I don't have dark colored hair. My hair is a bit brown. But these natural ingredients that I share day in, day out on this channel have made my hair to look this amazing. And you think that I'm going to stop? You must be joking. Now grab your jar. Let's make an amazing, mind-blowing herbal hair growth tea that will stop your shedding in 2 weeks. Yes, in 2 weeks. My first ingredient is sage leaf. If you don't know where to find this, go on Amazon website, type sage leaves, and it is going to pop up. Now, if you want to know what sage does to your hair, you can go on ahead to surf the web, read more about these amazing ingredients. Did I mention that this ingredient can be ingested? Yes, this can be ingested. You can brew it as a tea and drink, and it have a lot of numerous health benefits that it can proffer to your body. Next up is star anise. Please, if you don't have star anise, please, you can use cloves. Cloves and star anise, they are almost the same. I'm not saying they are exactly the same, they are almost the same. So star anise also in 1 tablespoon. Please, if you cannot get the ingredients whole, you can use the powder. Even if you're shopping, they don't have the real or the whole herbs, you can shop the powder. They are all the same, or you can grind yours to powder, whichever you like. And the next ingredient is hibiscus. You guys know from inception of this channel that I love hibiscus so much. Yes, hibiscus is one herb that makes my hair remain dark. My hair is very dark, jet black, as a result of my consistent use of hibiscus over the years. I have been using herbal ingredients for over 6 years now, and I'm not going back. It is working for my subscribers. Yes, The feedbacks are there as proof. So all I did is just to pour about 500 ml worth of hot water to it contained in my jar and steeped for 12 hours. After 12 hours, this is the result. The ingredients have released all the nutrients in the hot water, and here is our herbal hair growth tea. You can use it as a leave-in or you can use it as a rinse out. So all I did was to strain and transfer into my applicator bottle. If you have been on this channel from inception, you will know that I love to use my herbal teas as a leave-in, whereby I spritz it on my hair and then I use my leave-in conditioner as my moisturizer, and I see with the herbal hair growth oil or pomade that I also share on this channel. Come on, look at my hair. You can compare this hair to what I have years back, especially from the inception of this channel or when I was relaxed. If I share my photos when I was relaxed, you won't believe it. You won't believe that I would have this kind of hair thickness. Like I was saying, my hair is fragile, which is fine natural hair. That is, if you know what fine natural hair is. I have been able to crack the code, and that is why I have full thick hair to show for it. So if you have fine natural hair, believe me, you can grow it thick with herbal ingredients. My problem with some persons is just being consistent. If you're consistent, you will see thickness in your hair. I'm not even kidding you. And make sure to trim your ends when you ought to trim your ends. As a fine hair natural, I rarely deep condition. I have done loads and loads of research, over 6 years of research about herbal ingredients and how to care for natural hair. Guys, I have been able to crack the code. So just so you know, there is no going back on Ayurveda. Ayurveda is doing me a lot of good. Like, my hair volume baffles my stylist. If you are in Abuja or if you know the salon that I use, you will know that I am telling you the truth. To the extent that my stylists, they marvel whenever I visit the salon. I don't visit one salon. Sometimes I visit this today, the next day I visit the other. I rarely visit one salon. So they marvel at how my hair is strengthened without so much shedding, despite the fact that my hair is voluminous. That is the work of Ayurveda. I rarely shed, my hair rarely shed because they are being strengthened. If your hair is strengthened, they will not shed. And if you're shedding too much, your hair is going to be sparse or thin, whichever you like to call it. I don't want to dwell so much on this, okay? I don't want to dwell so much on this, but just know that Ayurveda is the real deal. And for the products you see out there, they are made with 1 or 2 ingredients shared on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.